Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of this or a full description of this particular unit or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival at the dealership of the 2008 Ram 2500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi motor in it. Overall, the front does have a hitch, as you can see located on the front. Looks to be in pretty good shape. I don't see any rust on the front end that I can notice. One thing I did notice, it does have brand new tires on it. So if you're looking for at least $1,000 right there, and factory chrome rims right there, as you can see. That's a 17-inch factory wheel. Factory Ram step-up bar, as you can see there. It does have the tow mirrors that do flip up on both the driver and passenger side. Bumper's got a few dents in it, as you can see there. Not terrible. This is the Bighorn edition, so it's going to give you your chrome bumper, also with backup sensors located in that bumper. Rear trailer tow hitch with your 7-pin wiring harness located right there. Bed liner. Looks to be in really good shape. With this 5.7 liter Hemi motor in it, you shouldn't have any problems with pulling anything you need to be pulling. And then at the same time, getting some decent fuel economy for a 2500 truck, which is nice with that 5.7 liter Hemi. You know, that Hemi's been around since 2005, so it's a very good, tried and tested motor. Something that we're very proud of in the Ram world is that Hemi motor. This is a crew cab, as you can see. It does have power mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Floor is not all tore up, but it is a rubber floor, as you can see. Driver's seat's got a little hole. It is a power seat and it does work, as you can see. Cruise control's on the steering wheel on both sides. Use your cruise control. Like I said, it has 157,000 miles on this thing. Considering the miles, I would say it's in pretty good shape. Radio, it does work, as you can see here. There is auxiliary mode, and there's an AM, FM, and satellite radio built into this, which is another nice feature to have. So, it does have an information center located up here. It's going to show you your direction you're going in, the temperature outside. That's a nice feature to have. Standard feature. Also has heat and AC. AC seems to be working. The compressor's kicking on. It's a little cold here today in Ohio, so I can't really tell if it's actually blowing cold air, but the compressor was kicking on. All the fan speeds seem to work as properly. And this is a 4-wheel drive truck, if I did not mention that, so you do have your turn knob to lock it in 4 high and 4 low. Rubber floor on driver or passenger side looks to be in really good condition. Same with the passenger seat, it looks to be in really good condition also. And this is a split bench, so you can flip it up and you can make it a 6-passenger vehicle. Rear bench looks to be in really good shape. No rips, tears, or dents. It does have its child safety hooks located right here. As you can see, this little chrome, 2 chrome hooks right there. There's one on this side and one on the other side over there. So if you need to hook a car seat in, it's definitely got the proper restraints built into the seat from the factory. Again, if you're looking for a nice older 3/4 ton truck, under $10,000, which is hard to do, this is the one for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see any of the still pictures of the specific truck and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.